Today we're gonna be styling my Jadon Doc Martens. This is so sentimental to me. I filmed my first Doc Marten styling video and it was a Jadon Doc Marten styling video, and it was literally 2018 or 2019 when I filmed it. They were like one of my first purchases to be kind of experimental with my style. I remember I went to Grand Valley State University at the time. I don't know why I said its full legal name. Stood out like a sore thumb. Nobody was wearing these kind of shoes yet, but I was chronically online, so I wanted them so bad from like, you know, the Emma Chamberlain effect. They only had a size 7 and I just got them because they were so sold out at the time. You had to be like back ordered, whatever. Everybody wanted these shoes. And I wore the crap out of those size 7 Jadon Doc Martens, even though they hurt so bad. Not because they weren't like broken in or blisters or anything. My toe was just shoved at the edge. I got a size 9 now, and I've realized how much I love them because they fit. If you're in between sizing for Doc Martens, I'm like a true 8.5. They don't have half sizes, so I get a 9, and it literally has just been like the world of a difference. They're my winter snow boot now. They have such good traction on the bottom. They keep my feet warm, and especially just getting that like half size up. I can wear really fuzzy socks with them. I'm warm enough. I'm gonna show you how I style them, and I don't know, I'm really excited. So thank you so much to Doc Martens for sponsoring this video. Literally so stinking cool. I adore Doc Martens, and also when you get your right size and they have a zipper on the side, let me show you the specs I got. It's a really cute chunky platform, and I'm not normally a platform girl. For the Doc Martens, they look cute. They feel very like military-esque. I don't know, they just add like this punk edginess to any look. And I got these new off the Doc Martens website. They like don't hurt at all. I've worn them immediately, and I swear my old Doc Martens, like I would have never gotten rid of them if they were the right size. So definitely just like get your right size, and then they'll be the comfiest shoes in the world. I know so many of us had these shoes from their like peak trendiness, and I still really like them, and I want to show how to style them in a very 2024 way. So what do you guys like? Regular Coke or Coke Zero? Because I do not like Coke Zero, but this is all we had. This is just what I was wearing today, and honestly, how I would style it even in 2019, which is so funny. You guys should watch that old video because there's some outfits in there where I'm like, I wouldn't wear it like that, but there's some where I'm like, got inspired. This jacket is thrifted. I had a cheetah jacket back then that I still have, but I just like this one with a hood a little bit better now. And then I've shown this in a past video. I've talked about it, but this little heart coin purse is so perfect for winter when you have like a giant bag or a giant jacket and you want a crossbody. I was looking for a coin purse for so long, and I wanted the heart one from Vivienne Westwood, and it was so disturbingly expensive. And this one from Doc Martens is so cute, real leather, like metallic, goes with everything. So yeah, here's look number 1. Like, I like the Doc Martens with a baggy pant. I feel like you can't style these boots without a pair of army pants. So, well, these are camel pants. They're not army. These are Realtree. I got them off eBay. I still adore them. Little Everlane sweater to kind of make it a little more my style for today, 2024. And then super cute boots. But I'll show you what jacket I'd pair with this also. And like, you can't tell me that this hair and earring combo doesn't just like make every look so much cooler. Okay, then I think just like a little puffer jacket is perfect. This one's from Cider, funny enough, but I wear it all the time in the winter, especially like wearing it with a scarf and like tucking the scarf out so it almost looks like a hood, that when you get cold, you can like pull it up over your ears, pull it down when you go inside. It's so funny because for so long I thought the shoe was so aggressive. I had to style around it, and I think that's why I kind of fell out of love with it, also the sizing thing. But I fell out of love with these shoes because I felt like they had to be the focal point of my outfit, and I look at them now and I'm like, they're just a black, very classic combat boot. And I think whether you have the platform or the lower ones, you know, gives that same effect. And like, don't style around the boot. Just put on your outfit that you wanted to wear and then put on the boot, and it feels so much more authentic and timeless, and it makes the boot complete the outfit instead of like be the outfit. So I wanted like a super long skirt to go with these boots, and I've been talking about wanting a plaid skirt, and I think that that would go amazing with these boots, but I don't have one yet. So this is actually a dress that I just pulled down to sit on my hip. I think if you're gonna wear these boots, a dress or like a skirt, and it's not mini, I don't even necessarily really like these with mini skirts, but I think with a long skirt or dress that hits the top of the boot is the way to do it and looks so much more chic. Just like it makes sense instead of like, oh, I threw these boots on with this outfit, which I know is like what I said in the last one, but we have to do everything with intention, you know? So I almost put a blazer on with this, weird enough, because I never wear a blazer. I wish I had my suede jacket here. I meant to bring it and forgot it last minute, but I don't know why the blazer kind of just feels right. This blazer's from Nasty Gal. I've had it since, again, like 2018. Just so funny that, you know, sometimes like fast fashion pieces end up being really sustainable in my closet because I keep them. Okay, I actually think no jacket looks best with this, so forgive me on that one. Obviously, if it was cold enough, I would just throw like a trench on over it. I'll show that in a second. But I really like how this outfit looks without it. I like the navy blue and the cream and the black boot. And then I added this suede purse that I got off Etsy, and it's real suede. And then this is my friend Amanda's scarf that she lent me, and I just tied it on there because I thought it added a little something. Okay, so the jacket I would wear. I think adding a super long jacket is the way to go with this kind of skirt. And then I actually do like it open. Like, I don't mind it. When I wear this jacket, I button it all the way. That's why I didn't want to put it on first time showing this outfit, because it just hides everything I did underneath. I always say this in like my index styling lookbooks I do for you guys. When I put on my jacket, I want like the jacket to be a part of the outfit. I don't want it to be, I just had to throw this jacket on. So a lot of times I end up buttoning my jacket all the way because it just like adds a lot more sleek and kind of completed look in my opinion. It feels less like I just like threw it on. Like, can't you tell the difference between open and not open? When I take my jacket off, it's not like I just want to show my clothes underneath and unbutton my jacket. I want to like fully take my jacket off and show the outfit underneath. Yeah, I think that this is a really cute look. The only way I really like these boots with a skirt or dress is a very full length. They're so cute. I like actually adore this outfit so much. Jacket's from Fabrique also. It is very expensive, but it's kind of perfect. I wanted to highlight cheetah pants, and it's not even so much because they're cheetah print that I like them with this boot, but I like the boot cut them. I love the boot cut with these shoes, and I mean, like, the cheetah print just like goes. It gives Nana, if you guys know, you know. So then I kind of want to style it in a Nana way. I think that like this is such like a fun look that I'm really playing into all of it. This is such a 2019 Lainey look, and I still adore it, and I think like there's a time and place to wear something like this, so I just had to show it. I think it's really cute. Like, this is what I used to wear to the bars in college, like to a T. This is what I wore. I think this is really cute just to tone it down a little bit as well. These wool trousers, I feel like just absolutely go. The very platform shoe. They're really long. I feel like I could only wear them with my docs. Love it, and I want to style it in a very like preppy school way. I feel like every time I put on my docs is something I want to do. I love these rugby shirts from Cotton. So this is like a full cotton outfit. And then the docs, it's just like such a chic, effortless look. And then I'd probably just wear, this bag's from Songmount. It's honestly my everyday bag. And then I put this little coin purse inside of it because I have to carry diapers and, you know, the whole lot in here. And then when I like walk into a store, I don't always need to bring every diaper. Like, I could just run to the car, and I hate smacking everybody in the face with this. So then I just like take in my little heart bag. But this is something that this outfit like looks best without a jacket on. If I was gonna put one on, I would just put the big trench, but I don't want to like show you guys it again fully buttoned so you know how I'd wear it. So this is the next look. The little baby mittens hanging on the side right there. They're so cute. I just tie them on the bag because it looks cute, and then I always have her mittens. Throw them with a pair of jeans because it's just so classic. These are the Way High jeans from Everlane. These are in the like regular inseam length, and then I also have them in the longer inseam, and I like both just to like switch it up. I think I'm gonna do the suede bag with this look. If you guys don't tie a scarf on every bag, I normally have a little gingham one on my diaper bag. It's so nice to have as well because if it's raining or something and you don't have an umbrella, you can wrap it around your hair and kind of save it. And then also it's just like such a cute accessory to have hanging off. There's one on Gap right now that's black and white polka dot, and I need to get it because I have to give this back to my friend Amanda, obviously. Here's the last look. Very simple, but I had to end it with these boots can be paired with anything, basically. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to check the links in the description box, obviously to shop the Jadon Dr. Martens, but then also everything else I talked about here. If you have your Jadons, bring them out, bringing them back to not only be worn, but to start trending again, because these shoes are so good, and I've missed them, and I'm so happy I have them in the right size now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.